Module 3. Industry 4.0 Technologies in the Manufacturing Industry. Unit 1. 3D Printing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a transformative technology that enables the creation of three-dimensional objects by depositing material layer by layer. Unlike traditional subtractive manufacturing processes, where material is removed to form a shape, 3D printing adds material precisely where needed. This versatility allows for the production of complex and customized objects with remarkable precision and efficiency. Key elements of 3D printing. Layered printing. 3D printing builds objects layer by layer, from the bottom up, based on a digital design. This layering process is central to the technology's flexibility. Digital design. A 3D model of the object is created using computer-aided design (CAD) software or obtained through 3D scanning. This digital model serves as the blueprint for the 3D printer. Material variety. 3D printers can work with a wide range of materials, including plastics, metals, ceramics, and even bioinks for bioprinting applications. Customization. The technology allows for the easy customization of products, catering to specific requirements, from medical implants to aerospace components. Industry 4.0 represents the fusion of digital, physical, and biological systems, creating intelligent, interconnected manufacturing environments. 3D printing is a linchpin in this transformation, offering several critical advantages. Digital prototyping. Additive manufacturing enables rapid prototyping, reducing the time and cost of product development. Manufacturers can iterate and perfect designs quickly. Supply chain optimization. 3D printing supports decentralized and on-demand manufacturing, minimizing the need for extensive warehousing and long-distance shipping. Mass customization. In an era where personalization is key, 3D printing empowers manufacturers to produce tailor-made products at scale. Complex geometry. Traditional manufacturing methods often struggle with intricate designs. 3D printing excels in creating objects with complex geometries that were once unattainable. Sustainability. 3D printing minimizes material waste, as it adds only what's necessary, contributing to more sustainable manufacturing practices. Short production runs, low-cost tooling and quick setup make 3D printing ideal for small batch or one-off production, reducing the barriers for niche markets. Digital twins. Combining 3D printing with digital twin technology allows for real-time monitoring and quality control, enhancing predictive maintenance and process optimization. In the context of Industry 4.0, 3D printing is not merely an innovative manufacturing technique, but a transformative force with the potential to redefine how products are designed, produced, and distributed. Its ability to foster agility, customization, and sustainability makes it an indispensable component of modern manufacturing and a catalyst for the next industrial revolution. As the integration of 3D printing continues to advance, it is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the factories of the future, where efficiency, innovation, and sustainability are paramount. In embracing 3D printing, industries are embracing the future.